How to see your subscribed channels in YouTube application in Android or iOS devices. The steps listed in this video will be almost identical for Android or iOS devices. So the first thing you need to do is open your YouTube application, and then once the application fires up, click onto this subscription tab at the bottom right. Then under the subscriptions tab, you can see the videos which are being suggested to you by your subscribed channels. So to view the subscribed channels, click onto this all button at the top. Once you will click onto this all button, it will list out all of the channels that you have currently subscribed, and you can sort them according to different parameters. So to do that, click onto this new activity tab, and from here you can either sort them according to their alphabetical orders, and also you can sort them by the most relevancy. And also there is an option of new activity, so that means the channel that has shown the recent activity will be appeared at the top. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or any questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more timely updates. So that's it for this video. So thank you and have a nice day.